The virus persists inside the body and gradually depletes the CD4 lymphocytes. And once the CD4 lymphocyte count falls below 200, they develop certain symptoms, certain infections and certain malignancies.
Place to take care of ourselves, our family and people living around us, and especially the people visiting the doctors in hospitals to get treated and cured from various ailments. So we should be cautious about HIV, AIDS among themselves. So we have a center within each hospital. So we have one center in SMHS hospital, one in LD hospital, which is called as ICTC. And to know about one's HIV status, one need to get tested.
I welcome you all on this occasion and hope this occasion will help, especially our students, to focus their attention and then make their contribution in the life ahead. Thank you.
क्योंकि आप और हम जिस फैकल्टी से मेडिकल फैकल्टी से, I would like to express my gratefulness to
of AIDS related illnesses
to get tested and seek appropriate care.
I call Professor
for which I call if a team responds from their team to answer the
Dr.
क्या मेरी चेस्ट